Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to print your fixed asset list in your QuickBooks Online account. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard you can go to the All Apps here in the left side menu and go to Accounting, and you can click Fixed Asset here. And then you will be in this page and you will see all of your assets. And in order to export, to print it, you can click see reports here and click fixed asset list. And then you will see all of your fixed asset in the report format here, like this. And then to print it, click this export icon and then click export to PDF. And then you will be able to see the preview here. You can change the formatting, you can change to landscape. I prefer landscape. And you can activate this smart page break if you want. And then you can just click print. And it will automatically print the file to your computer. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.